Hey everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can cancel Netflix Auto-Renewal. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure that you're logged in into your account. So there is no such method as cancelling your Netflix Auto-Renewal plan. What you can do is, instead of that, there is an alternative. What you can do is you can simply cancel your membership. So after you cancel your membership, you'll still be able to continue Netflix until your next subscription is due. So what you have to do is, first of all, open up your Netflix and then select your account, and once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into home page. So over here you'll have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. The next page, tap on account, and once you do that, on the other page you have all your information about your account detail. So over here you'll have to scroll down, and right in between you'll see there is an option called cancel membership. So then if you tap on cancel membership, like I already mentioned before, that you'll still be able to continue Netflix until your next subscription is due. As soon as your subscription is over, next you'll be logged out, or you'll not be able to continue Netflix. So after that, in case if you want to continue Netflix, then you'll have to restart your membership. So that was an alternative method on how you can cancel your Netflix auto renewal. So that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.